Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Blue color, light green color, red color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets, uppercase and lowercase. Orange color, A, A. Blue color, B, small b. Light green color, C, small c. Red color, D, small d. Orange color, E, small e. Blue color, F, small a. Light green color, G, small g. Red color, H, small h. Orange color, I, small I. Capital A, small a. A is for ant. Capital B, small b. B is for book. Capital C, small c. C is for cake. Capital D, small d. D is for door. Capital E, small e. E is for earth. Capital F, small f. F is for finger. Capital G, small g. G is for God. Capital H, small h. H is for honey. Capital I, small I. I is for idea. Ta-da!